How to log in Dropbox account. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Dropbox application on your device. So here you can either continue with Google, Apple, or you can also enter your email and continue. This depends upon how you have created your account previously. So here I am choosing for Google. And here you need to select your Gmail account with which you want to log into your Dropbox account. And a long description will be available on your screen. You can read, and it's all about providing access and trust. So that you have to go for allow option. You have to wait until it's signing in. Few seconds later you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you log in Dropbox accounts. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.